Hey folks, Bare Bones Outdoors here. Thanks for tuning in. We got another Southern Indiana turkey hunt for you, and going on as we speak. We're slipping back through some bottom ground, and I believe we have already messed up 2 turkeys by this time of the day, and we're on a 3rd one. So we're sneaking back in here, trying to hit that sweet spot, trying to get close enough but not too close to spook him. So hopefully it works out for us. So stay tuned to see what happens.
I got him strutting from the window. I got him gobbling.
That's pretty good.
His head was behind this tree and then he stuck it out.
That's a pretty good poke. Not bad.
Yeah.
Good video, and he was hot. I bet we heard him 3 ridges away. We just kept coming in a little closer, like, man, was he that far? And we moved to the next one, and we'd still hear it. We finally got in here close enough. He come right down in through here, seen the decoy strutting all over the place.
I got him walking in his beard, hanging back and forth. I got him strutting from like a long way. I got him gobbling one time.
Good spurs. I don't know if he's 3-year-old maybe. It's close. Whew, it's a long hike. It was a little windy this morning, not real bad. Cloudy, sunrise didn't come up, but we heard some birds gobbling and ran into some people like always. And moved around and decided we better be getting after them because we heard some gobbling birds, so you can't leave them. You gotta go after them. We're about 3 miles back in here, 3 ridges deep. Oh. That's great, man. I was all tore up. He come in all strutting.
I got him gobbling.
And there's just, holy smokes, when you talk
That's a
35 yards, 40 yards, there's a lot of trees between him and us. And you got a camera and a shooter. And oh my.
You get on that? I got him good.
And when he was about right there, there was a bunch of trees, about 4 or 5 trees. He stepped out around there then, and I was all right, get him to get his head up. Because he was still strutting.
Yeah.
He got his head out there a little bit.
I thought he seen us.
Gobbled good right there close, didn't he?
Yeah, that was awesome. Actually, the longer he strutted down here, the calmer I started calming down a little bit.
Yeah, you had him then.
Well, I just was getting, when they come running in, I just tear me up. The longer he stood here, the more calmed down. All right, he's here, we'll get it.
Gotta love it, man. That's fun.
It's just awesome to get him in that close and see him. And I knew if he started acting like he was going to get out of here, it's going to be kind of tough to get a shot. Well, there's so many trees.
He goes behind this tree right here.
That was awesome.
And then Dad calls like that. His head sticks out from behind that tree.
Whew. That's a 3.5-inch shell there, Corey. And that's about 35, 40 yards there, Keith. Put him down. Probably 3.
Yeah, it looks like he's through.
I mean, that thing is just a big old brush coming
when he was walking through there, his beard.
I told him to bring somebody to carry my bird out for me.
Oh.
Because it's 3 miles back to the car.